Bruh. Bruh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another product review. I know I've been gone for a minute, had a bunch of life changes, a bunch of crazy stuff going on. I will be doing a get ready with me just to kind of like chit chat with you guys and talk about what's been going on with me and the direction that my channel is going to be taking, but that is for another video. So today I'm going to be doing a product review. I know you guys probably clicked on this video and you guys were like, sis, like, did you forget something? Like, what's going on? My brows are clearly in distress. I'm one of those people who has like the barest brows. Like, if brows were edges, my edges would be in trouble. Like, I have maybe 6 pieces of hair on my brows, maybe 6.5. So they are struggling. So I had been scrolling through Instagram and I kept coming across this like up to 2 days like tattoo brow thing that Maybelline just came out with. So I decided that I wanted to try it out. So today I'm just going to be testing it out, kind of talking about the application, doing my brows, and I will be attempting to wear this product for 2 days because, I mean, it says it's supposed to last 2 days. So I would love to not have to do my brows, to fill in my brows in the morning for 2 days. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. I got it in the color deep brown and I purchased it on Amazon for about 10 bucks. So let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes with this little spoolie and a pretty decent amount of product. It is a 0.23 fluid ounces and it comes like this. So I'm assuming the spoolie is just to brush the hairs out because there's like an applicator in here, which is like, I don't know, it's like a lip gloss applicator. It's kind of weird. But I did bring my regular slanted brush that I use for my eyebrow gel, for my NYX eyebrow gel. I did pull that out just in case I felt like this is gonna turn into a struggle bus. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and then we'll get started on these brows. Okay, so according to the instructions, it says remove excess formula from tip, short smooth strokes starting mid-brow, then fill and blend towards the start of the brow. Here's the applicator and I'm just gonna do what they said and, oh wait, I'm gonna wipe off some excess. Let's see. Okay. It's not too bad, but I'm not like getting the, definition that I want. Like, I'm not getting like the very, I don't know, I feel like the applicator, because it's so much like a lip gloss or a lipstick applicator, I'm not getting the defined like line under my brows that I normally get with my eyebrow gel. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and put it on my mirror, and then I'm gonna use my regular like eyebrow tool with the little slanted brush, and then apply it like that and see if that works better for me. Yeah, I feel like this works better. I know this is a gel, but it feels a little bit more watery than my normal gel does, than like the NYX gel. And I'm kind of worried about that, just because I feel like it's sliding a little bit. I don't know. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the spoolie that they gave me and then I'm just gonna go through and kind of brush it in. So there's one brow done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, and then I am going to keep this on for 2 days, and then I'll come back and I'll let you guys know my overall thoughts, and we'll see if it lasted the whole 2 days. Okay, so before I go, this is the final brow product that we're ending up with. They're a little bit uneven, but I mean, what else is new? I think this is okay though. I think that it's a lot easier to use like your own like kind of slanted brush to like dip into the brow gel and then apply your or fill in your eyebrows the way that you would normally do with an eyebrow gel, instead of using that like weird lipstick applicator. I really didn't like that applicator, and I felt like if you just use that, you would have big, chunky, crazy thick ass square block brows immediately. Like there's no way to really kind of make it more defined and like make it precise unless you use one of those like slanted brushes. So I would definitely recommend that. But yeah, so I'm going to rock these brows for a couple of days, and then I'll come back at the end of day 2, and then I'll let you guys know how these brows held up. We'll see if it did actually stay in place for 2 days. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a couple days. So hey guys, what's up? I know I look crazy right now, forgive me. I just woke up and I need to hurry up and get ready to go to work. But I just wanted to come on camera real quick and show you guys what we're looking like 2 days after. So as you can see, this product didn't exactly follow through on its promise for 2 days without me having to do my brows. So as you can see, the ends of my brow, which tends to be where I'm the most male pattern baldness, that has definitely washed away quite a bit. According to the directions, you're not supposed to use any kind of like makeup remover product that has oil in it, and I do use the blue package. I don't remember what it's called, but I'll like insert the name here somewhere down below. But I use the little makeup remover wipes, and I also use micellar water to take my makeup off. But I did make sure that I was really careful around the area where I applied the product, and I still got like some kind of smearing, and you can definitely see the product is like gone right here. So it definitely did not hold up after this portion, which leads me to believe that the product does last 2 days, but only on areas of your eyebrow that have hair. So on the areas of my eyebrow that like where eyebrows are basically non-existent, the product is gone. I'll insert a clip like over here to the side somewhere where you can see when I was filling in that area, it looked a little bit more like sheer, like it wasn't opaque like where there's actual hair there. It was definitely really sheer here at the tails of my eyebrow, and that's where I'm getting the most like smearing. That's where I'm getting the most smearing. You guys, again, forgive my face. I have some visitors, Mr. Acne Scar 1 and 2, who wanted to pop up and do their little debut today. So forgive me. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. And it's the same on this side. So I think this side held up a little bit better, but wherever when I started not having as much hair, like right here around my arch and then the tail, that's where the product started like rubbing away. So overall thoughts on this product, I think that the product is good if you have hair already, but if you just want to like shape your brows a little bit more. If you are somebody who has like ball detailed brows like I do, you are definitely gonna see some smudging. It is going to fade away after the first day. I probably should have vlogged this like I did for my Fenty Beauty foundation review, but I just had so much going on and like going to and from work, like I just wasn't thinking about it, but I probably should have vlogged it day by day. But after the first day, I saw smudging. Like the next night, like I went to sleep, I took my makeup off, I left my brows on, I went to sleep, and then when I woke up the next day, I already saw smudging, but it was okay. Like I was okay with wearing my makeup, like wearing my brows like that to work. I just did my makeup or whatever and went to work. But the second day, when I woke up the second day, today, I'm definitely gonna have to go run and do my eyebrows real quick before I leave to go to work, because there's no way on God's green earth I'm walking into work like this. Like it's just, no, it's a no-go, sis. Like I just can't do it. I can't allow myself, like I just can't, I can't put my coworkers through that trauma of seeing my brows like that. You know, like I'm a team player. I'm not gonna let them have to deal with this for the whole day. So I'm gonna go run and do my brows, do my makeup so I don't look a whole hot mess. But I did want to come on here and let you guys know how it turned out. So overall, I think it is a pretty good eyebrow gel. However, I don't think that it lives up to what the claims are that it's gonna last you for 2 days. Like it's not, unless you already have hair there. Like this area of my brow, it lasted. Like it didn't smudge as much. I do notice a little bit of smudging around here. Like the first day I had like a pretty defined line here, and now there's definitely some smudging. It's not as defined, but there's a lot less smudging where I actually have hair than the areas where there's a bald situation. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, and let me know some of your favorite brow products to use. Right now I'm using the NYX eyebrow gel in espresso, and I really like that, but I know that Kat Von D just came out with her eyebrow gel, and I've seen some really good reviews about it. I'll link them down below in the description box if you want to check them out. I haven't had a chance to go pick it up yet, but I'm kind of excited about it. I'm basically for anything that's gonna keep these suckers in place for, you know, a little while and not like smudge and move and glide and do all that extra stuff. Like, I just need them to be there and look like they're supposed to be looking. Also, if you guys like these kinds of videos, if you like product reviews from me, beauty tutorials, comparisons, budget-friendly stuff, things like that, give this video a like, because that's a really good way for me to gauge like what you guys want to watch, what you guys want to see, and what you guys aren't really feeling. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments section. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.